yeah. So there was an article published some time ago on the website www.capitalfm.co.ke, I think, that spoke about the irony of fake women looking for real men. And our producer has asked us to read the article and to share our opinion.
Who is a fake woman first?
I want to find out too.
No, when you say a fake woman, fake because she having fake hair and fake nails.
I'm going to try to find out.
You'll try to find out?
In the dating and relationship world, everyone has their values. Your values, for ladies who are looking for Mr. Right, before you set out on a journey, consider two things. Take a moment to assess yourself. The product that is you, that you are promoting or marketing to the potential Mr. Right. Do you have desirable attributes that will attract Mr. Right to you? Understand the kind of woman that Mr. Right is attracted to and is looking for. This will help you package yourself strategically, I can't beef, to meet the needs and expectations of Mr. Right.
Yeah.
The world of dating, if you haven't figured it out yet, is pretty much a game of demand and supply.
I don't know why this sound like girl talk. I don't know why this sound like girl talk.
All right.
You should just go and talk. All right.
Not true, you're Mr. Right. That's why them bring you come.
I am Mr.
Why
Right.
Mr. Right remains a pipe dream for many women. Come now, come back to the white chat, please. Come back to the white chat, Prince. Prince, that now what? Why Mr. Right remains a pipe dream.
That sound like me for sit down.
So a lot of women. First and foremost, the problem we have nowadays is that we have so many sisters looking for Mr. Right. Yet they have no clue what Mr. Right is looking for in women. Mr. Right is also on a journey looking for Miss Right. No decent good man will settle for anything below them. All right?
Question.
Yes?
You have a Miss Right?
They're saying now.
And you have a Mr. Wrong?
They're saying now. If you want a tall, successful guy.
Me that.
Who is financially stable.
Not me that.
Smart.
Me that.
Well educated with a nice job. That same guy is also looking for a decent, successful, financially stable, intelligent, and well educated.
Well, I know. Stop.
Lie.
Stop now.
Lie.
Stop.
Lie.
Stop. Are you decent?
Yeah.
Are you successful?
I think so.
Are you intelligent?
Very.
Are you a well-educated lady?
You would think so.
You would think so.
Yeah.
This is the key one now.
Yeah.
Are you financially stable?
After Wednesday when we win the lottery.
Well, here we do. Call me Thursday morning.
But this is a lie, though.
I am finished.
No,
Call
but
me
this
on
is a
Thursday.
lie, though.
Why is it a lie?
Never. You ever go and see some of them man with these ladies where them just a come out and design your body?
Yeah.
A lot of these men that people are saying is Mr. Right. So when you talk about this decent, successful, financially stable, intelligent, really?
So you don't rate me in all of that?
I mean, I rate you. I'm just saying I don't think Mr. Right is necessarily looking for his twin.
So Mr. Right not looking for Miss Right?
Well, what Miss Right for them is not necessarily a decent, intelligent, stable, financially successful women. You want us to go through all of the footballers in America, here too, and basketball, all the sports stars.
Yeah.
Have you all ever watched Basketball Wives?
Vietnam, so tell me what you tell me.
I'm saying that I don't think this is true.
You don't think that if you want
I
at
think
all?
some men are looking for this. I don't think all men. I would give it 50-50.
So what the other 50 looking for?
Body contouring. Walking trophy. The man look for a walking trophy.
So you just beside me and we say people.
Walking trophy.
Meet this
is
my lady.
Walking trophy.
Yeah.
And you're there for Instagram and blah, blah, blah. Or else plastic surgery wouldn't be making so much money.
Sister Lily, I can't go and what you call it? Social media and just come off when I feel like come off. Why not?
You know, come on.
But why not? So suppose somebody I look for Mr. Right and them there on Instagram and can't find them.
Wait.
Hold on.
It says a good, decent man.
Which is me.
Who is searching for a woman looks for more than just appearance, dressing, nails, hair, and a borrowed accent. Real men are looking for women of virtue, women who have their character in place.
Stop.
Yes.
A woman of virtue mean what? When you have virtue, what's
then you know see semicolon, so they might explain why they did.
Then you don't.
No lie, you know say.
Real men are looking for women of virtue. All right, I buy that, but I still need to know who is a woman of virtue. Are you a woman of virtue?
Depends on the man who is asking.
Then me just ask.
Of course.
So that mean what? You are
any definition you put to virtue, me have it.
You know, say me I last about 2 minutes and me done. Women who have their character in place. Do you have your character in place?
I think so.
Which means what? They're not always in place.
I think so.
Hold on. Women who have their finances and career in check.
Check me back. Thursday morning.
And more importantly, women who respect God,
absolutely,
their family and themselves. Well, I know that about you. The only one I can't tick off yet is the virtue thing, because I just don't understand it. I don't tick off finances.
Google it, now you Google everything else. Google virtue, no?
I don't tick off finances and career.
Good men are looking for an intelligent woman. A woman is focused, principled. Really?
But hold on a little bit. They said real men are looking for more than just your makeup. But it don't say that we're not looking for the makeup too. It said more than the makeup. So we want the makeup, which is what this is suggesting. But we want more. And it said Louis Vuitton. So we want more. Good men are looking for an intelligent woman. You are very intelligent. A woman who is focused. I'm not so certain about you and the focus thing. Are you focused?
If I need to be.
Eh?
If I need to be.
A woman who is
principled. If it don't work, my focus, I'm not focused.
A woman who is principled. Are you principled?
I believe
that I know about you. And has values and morals in place. Is that you?
This sound like what?
It's a. All right, so I am going to end with a girl talk, because it's a conclusion. And then it says, so my sisters.
Yes.
Which could be, I could be saying that too, my sisters. Before you set out on a journey of looking for a real man, or before you endlessly complain about the lack of good men, take a long look at yourself first. Do you possess or reflect the attributes that your desired man is looking for? Well, I want to choke Chad. I tried that out. I want to choke Chad. Do you have standards, values, and principles as a woman who's looking for a good man, or do you sleep around with any man as long as they are nice to you, or they look like Brad Pitt? Who's Brad Pitt?
Angelina Jolie, ex-husband.
Oh yeah, me know he's good, man. Let me see. Is your life a long series of partying and clubbing? Is it?
No.
Yet you expect to find Mr. Right? Sweetheart, remember this. No person, unless they are idiotic, will invest in a product that is fake, without quality, overpriced, or that is not worth their time, energy, needs, and expectations.
The person on earth.
Are you fake?
The person on earth.
You're not answering.
No, the person on earth.
You are not answering.
No person unless they're idiotic.
Are you fake?
I don't think.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Do you have do you have quality?
I think so.
I know so. Are you you're overpriced?
I'm not priced enough.
You're not priced
I'm
enough.
priceless. There's no price.
Oh. So are you worth my time, energy, needs, and expectations? It's not a difficult question.
No, it's like after Wednesday. Will you be worth my time, energy, and expectations? This a girl talking long today.
Well, you see,
normally them cut off me and Simone after 4 minutes.
It's not girl talk, she said.
But I'm a little confused though, because what they're describing as a real man sounds very fake to me.
Explain.
Nobody's perfect.
True.
And so you cannot expect any human being to possess all these qualities that I see listed here.
All right, make I ask a question. Come on, want to get me.
Not even pasta.
Wait, no?
Yes.
So you see me and you like me.
Correct.
You don't know anything about me, but you see me and you say, I like that you.
Could I drink more porridge at morning time?
Yeah, but you see me and you like that you, and you are willing to even go to like a dinner or lunch with me.
Cool.
Then you find out, say I broke. Then you find out that I do have a steady work. It might kind of steady, but it don't steady. You wouldn't want to be involved with me after that?
If you're broke and you don't have a steady work?
Yeah.
You said I wouldn't want to be involved with you after that?
Yeah. Because remember, you did like me, you know, you like me, you see me, and you like me.
So we never involved me, they just like you.
Yeah, but I don't say already, but you are willing to
Are you? It depends on why you don't have a work, though.
Because I can't get one.
No, but there are people who are qualified to work, they have the experience, and they want work, but work is just not available. So that's different from a no worker.
Yeah, a no worker who just
careless and worthless and no one.
So in other words, you would give me the time of day.
If you're not a no worker.
Yeah.
If you're not a no work and you know sound like you look at work.
Yeah.
And you know sound like you're employable.
Suppose I look in the work and I can't get to work. So I broke. But I want us to go lunch. And I said, yes, you know, you have to go pay for it. You would have said. But no one tell you my sister deal I do. You wouldn't carry me go lunch. Huh?
Carry you?
Yeah.
I don't know if we'd have to go somewhere. I could have make a sandwich and we eat it at the yard.
Then why a sandwich?
I could have also wild rice.
You know that me say?
Yeah. I'm going to get some Scotch bonnet and flash out.
When you flash out, by the way?
Tin mackerel.
So hold on.
Flash out with little Scotch bonnet and some.
So in other words, it's not just the money and thing you're after. You're after your quality.
If you have ambition. It's not just the money I'm after. Me tell you, I mean, after money. Hold on. Remember have the conversation. Look at me.
But you just meet me, you just see me and like me. Oh, you know, I am ambitious.
But which farm would I see you? Because if you're
on
not
TV,
work, if you're not, no.
You see me on TV, I'm a stay, so, and you just say,
no,
you know, say no, like that.
No, when would I see you? Because if you're not work, if you're not work, and you're not on a job, and you're broke, why are you out of your house?
And then man, they go out more than anybody else. You have a little man where almost every time him see me, he marks me for a thing. Anything they stayed up, him in the royal box. Some fest, VIP. But him now work, so we don't know how him reaching there. So I would still, but I want to show, yes. I would want, but you have to see me.
I'm just trying to figure out where. Eh? Me see my look the word?
Yeah, you see me. So you see me in the unemployment line. You say,
and I would say to you, you know, you really should focus your energy on one thing at this moment. And your energy should be focused on this job. Women are going to be a distraction.
No,
Women are going to be an emotional distraction. They're going to drain your energy just to get this relationship going. So as someone who sees you, likes you, and wants the best for you, at this time,
you don't give me a word.
I am not good for you.
After all that, we think you was going to say, I think you was going to say at this time I'm going to take you and we both go look at work.
At this time, I am not good for you. What is good for you is for you to go and get the work. The time, so the go out at night time, you shouldn't have sleep. You get up early, fresh, to go look for work.
So you see if I see you on the road and I like you and you kind of like me and I say, dears, and then you find out say I'm not working. And you say, all right. Put that on hold.
When I find out say you're not working.
And then you tell me put that on hold. Yes. Then I get to work.
Yes.
And all of a sudden, he's the chief executive officer of Bell's Plumbing.
Yes.
And then you hear and come round. You know, I saw me turn. Me just say, oh, you never want me when me never have the work, but show you hear about my little plumbing business.
Yes.
Now you want me to come and fix your
bathroom
for free.
And that's all right. That's all right. Those things happen in life. That's all right.
No, man, it not going to work.
No, I mean, it's all right. I'd be happy for you.
No, I would fix your bathroom for you.
No, me
Now
good.
when you turn on the pipe,
Me good.
all your bed get wet.
Me good because first of all, you turn CEO of Bell's Plumbing. What is your customer base? Because you can be CEO of Bell's Plumbing and you not fix one pipe in a 1 yard, you know.
Sister,
So you have a title, but you don't have no income same way.
Why am I even speaking to
And
you?
next
You
thing,
say me not working on the talk to.
next thing you're gonna tell me, say, Dada, I'm a CEO of Bells. I don't have no client right now, but at least I have a job.
No,
have a title.
I fixed
You think you can help me buy some material? Next thing me I buy wrench and me I buy.
You know, even if you don't invite me, I am back here next Tuesday. I love this. Even if you don't invite me.
Why?
Next Tuesday is the chair we are doing the show.
Why?
He said, she said, and she said, oh, it's me that. Remember me told you.
That's girls talk.
Of course.
Too.
It is unfair because if she wasn't working, I
You
would
still
look after
talk about
her.
the Bells Plumbing?
But if you weren't working as my bona fide sister, I would look after you. But me not working, you don't want to look after me, you just want me to fix
But
the
we
pipe
move
and
from
don't
bona
pay me.
fide sister now. And look how me talk to you as a bona fide.
No, you want me to fix the
I
pipe
am not
and you
what's
don't want
good
to
for
pay
you.
me.
You want you fix the pipe, but I don't want to pay you. Why
Yeah.
you reach this up? You see why enough to take them up now? You say argument. The argument is gone in one place and nowhere. Yeah.
All right, folks. That is the greatest he said, she said, she said.
Worse than ring games now. I don't know.
I'm going to feel more invite me back next Tuesday just because of that. All right.
Yeah.
Chef de partie, Christopher Schooler, is standing by to prepare veggie loaf for us after the break. So stay with us. Veggie loaf? What is that veggie loaf?
It's a chef of a job. Chef a real man.